So today I'm going to make my version of a lower calorie, lower saturated fat fried apple pie. I don't know if you want to call it keto, but I do try to use like the zero net carbs, high fiber keto certified little tortillas instead of the pastry, and I used the Swerve zero calorie sweetener brown sugar, and I used butter that had no vegetable oil in it. So we have 3 fresh Honeycrisp apples that I have chopped up into smaller pieces. We have a half teaspoon of nutmeg, teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I used a cup of this brown sugar. I used a half teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and I stirred that up, mixed that all up. And then I prepared the butter in the frying pan, and I put some apples in my tortilla. To start out with, I put 2 mini apples in the little tortillas because these are small tortillas. So they turned out better when I put a little less apple in the middle, and they stayed more folded together. They actually did have a really good taste to them. I'm thinking next time I'm going to add some low-calorie vanilla ice cream and some zero sugar caramel syrup and keto-friendly Cool Whip, and I think these would be absolutely awesome. But for me, starting to learn lower calorie, lower saturated fat desserts, I think this is a wonderful start from my home to yours.